Everyone this holiday season. KX News previously reported on the special educator shortage crisis, how it's impacting schools, and what's being done to ensure our children's needs are met. This morning, Alicia Huck explains what could happen if a school is not able to meet the criteria of a student's IEP, as well as what a difference a full staff can make when it comes to students' success rates.
We were kind of in panic just shortly before the school year started.
Underwood Public School needed a special education teacher ASAP. Elementary Principal Katie Hager knew there could be dire consequences if they weren't able to hire for the position, so they asked the state for help.
The state says you have to, keep advertising, and if you can't provide minutes, then you could actually be in trouble because you're not providing the services that are required within a legally binding document such as an IEP.
Hager says the biggest problem with that is the fact that a school can owe extra minutes or services to compensate for the lack of initial service.
And we asked, what do we do? We can't provide the initial, how do we provide more? And the answer is figure it out.
While they were able to figure it out and secure a special education teacher for the school year, Hager says that's not always the case for schools.
Those that don't have that resource, you can't just figure it out. And so I think we need to look at what can the state do to help us, what kind of supports are out there and resources that don't break a school's budget.
But it goes far beyond meeting the federal requirements of filling the position. Washburn Public School is fully staffed with 3 special education teachers. Superintendent Dr. Penny Heddletwit explains that having a full special education staff makes a significant difference in a student's success rates.
We're seeing faster, more efficient gains because we have the 3 that are doing the work. And so their caseloads are smaller than what you would see in other schools, but the gains of the children are really amazing.
While the caseloads may be smaller in number, that doesn't mean the job is any easier.
Even if they have 10 or 12 on their caseload, sometimes that can feel like 24 because their needs are so different and also sometimes so unpredictable. And so you have to constantly be in a respond versus a react mode. And that can be super exhausting. And then if you have that and it takes a little bit longer and you don't get a chance to decompress yourself, and then trying to be very clean for your next person, that's tough.
The number of students in special education in the U.S. has doubled over the past 4 decades, according to a Pew report. This trend, however, is not necessarily a bad thing. Heddletwit says educators and medical professionals are getting better at diagnosing sooner and recognizing that it may not only be one learning deficiency.
It is not unusual now that they have 2 or 3 diagnoses, and one might be a learning disability or a deficit of some sort, but we have a lot of emotional behavioral, and that part is growing.
Which means an IEP may not be necessary and other options need to be explored.
And sometimes it is recovery strategies and redirections and coping skills that they need versus an actual diagnosis. It might be something completely different in the mental health realm.
Whether an IEP, 504, or behavior plan, communication among staff, students, and parents is key.
We're constantly looking at, okay, this kiddo seems like they're falling behind. Are you seeing the same thing? So I think having that constant conversation to make sure that we don't miss a kid and a kid doesn't fall through the cracks.
Reporting for KX News, I'm Alicia Huck.
Heddletwit says paraprofessionals are crucial when it comes to managing kids on IEP.